I'm hungry. Can you pass me the salt? Could you hand me a knife, please? I'm going to cook pasta. Do we have any eggs left? I need to buy some vegetables. Can you peel the potatoes? The recipe calls for onions. I'll chop the onions. Can you stir the soup? The water is boiling. I'm going to fry some chicken. Don't forget to preheat the oven. Can you help me set the table? I'm making a salad. Could you grate the cheese? We're out of milk. I'll toast the bread. The butter is in the fridge. Can you wash the lettuce? I'll pour the juice. Can you get the cutting board? I'm going to make a sandwich. The rice is cooking. I need a spatula. Could you pass me the pepper? I'll whisk the eggs. The pan is non-stick. Can you drain the pasta? I'll peel the carrots. Can you check the timer? The food is ready. I need a ladle for the soup. Could you pour me some water? I'll measure the flour. Can you open the can of tomatoes? I'm baking a cake. Could you slice the tomatoes? I'll mash the potatoes. Can you turn off the stove? I'm going to sauté the vegetables. Could you grab the oven mitts? I'll season the meat. Can you bring the baking sheet? I'm boiling water for tea. Could you get the colander? I'll chop the garlic. Can you set the tablecloth? I'm making a smoothie. Could you pass me the vinegar? I'll marinate the chicken. Can you hand me the blender? I'm going to grill the fish. Could you get the salad dressing? I'll need the dough. Can you open the can opener? I'm steaming the vegetables. Could you bring the pot holder? I'll sprinkle the herbs. Can you grab the plastic wrap? I'm melting chocolate. Could you find the measuring cups? I'll whip the cream. Can you get the strainer? I'm making scrambled eggs. Could you pass me the whisk? I'll mix the ingredients. Can you hand me the canister? I'm making a casserole. Could you get the corkscrew? I'll peel the oranges. Can you find the tongs? I'm making a stew. Could you grab the food processor? I'll arrange the appetizers. Can you bring the ice tray? I'm boiling the potatoes. Could you pass me the ladle? I'll bake the cookies. Can you get the rolling pin? I'm melting butter. Could you find the grater? I'll assemble the sandwiches. Can you hand me the colander? I'm mixing the salad. Could you grab the salt shaker? I'll chop the nuts. Can you get the can opener? I'm making coffee. Could you pass me the sugar? I'll pour the milk. Can you bring the creamer? I'm boiling eggs. Could you find the egg timer? I'll sauté the mushrooms. Can you hand me the vegetable peeler? I'm baking a pie. Could you get the pie dish? I'll grate the carrots. Can you pass me the cinnamon? I'm frying bacon. Could you bring the paper towels? I'll marinate the steak. Can you find the garlic press? I'm making tea. Could you get the tea bags? I'll cook the rice. Can you hand me the rice cooker? I'm steaming the broccoli. Could you pass me the soy sauce? I'll whisk the dressing. Can you find the salad tongs? I'm boiling pasta. Could you get the pasta strainer? I'll chop the bell peppers. Can you bring the cutting board? I'm melting cheese. Could you pass me the crackers? I'll slice the bread. Can you find the bread knife? I'm making a sandwich. Could you get the mayonnaise? I'll spread the butter. Can you hand me the jelly? I'm toasting the bread. Could you pass me the toaster? I'll pour the cereal. Can you find the milk jug? I'm eating breakfast.